Lord Narayan, he is always, but Lord Krishna, he is always with his Shakti. Impartialists, they say, Bhagavan Vishnu, a Lord has no Shakti. But in this verse, clearly, Shakti always remains with Shaktiman. And give an example as like Agni and Agni Dahika Shakti. Fire and heat of fire staying together. The Tattva Siddhanta is it. Story is saying, story everybody knows. And if you can say anything, okay, good. But Tattva Siddhanta is there. So Ekadashi Tithi, there is called Vishnu. Other Tithis, we are not fast. So why you are doing Ekadashi Tithi, we are doing fast. Srimati Radhika's appearance day, we are not doing fast. But Ekadashi, we are fasting. For this reason also. Shastra saying, where is the Vishnu Tattva, you have to fast. Understand? Where is the Vishnu Tattva, you have to fast. Full fast, half fast, no problem. Can to do the falahar as looked at. Or saying the fast. Or Radharani, apparently you full fast or not? Why not? That is Ashraya Tattva, Shakti Tattva. After Sudha Bhatta, he asked to Ekadashi Devi, he asked to Lord Vishnu. As like you. Maybe other people will be asked. So why will we Ekadashi this word also feminine gender, not the masculine gender. So maybe people will be asked, why we are fasting? But Srimati Radhika's appearance day, we are not fasting. So Ekadashi, why we fasting? In the day of appearance of Radharani, we are eating rice, dal, sabji or not? Yes. So Ekadashi, why not? Ekadashi is also Shakti. You know this. Because other people will defeat you. Because she told, as like you. So for this reality. So this is very important. And another Murdaita, he asked to Lord Shivji, Vishnu cannot kill to me. So Vishnu did not kill. Who killed? Shakti, Ekadashi Tithi killed. Because otherwise, people very easy to defeat you. This is the process also. So nice.
Someone said there is no difference, because we are saying there is no difference between Shakti and Shaktiman. And but he got the view that Vishnu cannot kill him. So how can we clarify?
Vishnu cannot kill him.
But there is no difference. Shakti also.
No, that is Shakti. He did not actually. Vishnu can do. All these Shakti are not. Except Vishnu, everybody also Shakti. But he mentioned specific way, Murdaita, he specific way mentioned Vishnu can't kill to him. Okay, Vishnu cannot kill to him. Because Murdaita is thinking, and Shivji is giving, I am the devotee of Shivji, Shiv Bhakta. So maybe Shivji will not kill to me. So who can kill to me? So Vishnu not kill me. If Vishnu not kill me, so Brahma will kill me. So this is this demonic idea. Do you understand? Demon thinking this way. Vishnu cannot, because Lord Vishnu has only one powerful weapon, that is called Sudarshan Chakra. That Sudarshan Chakra he can kill to everyone. And even with the Sudarshan Chakra, and Lord Vishnu, that means Krishna, he also chastised to Lord Shiva not. You understand? They say when what do you call Shivji, he also and fight against to Lords against to Dargadhis Krishna on behalf of Kasiraj. That time also Shivji he against. And that time Lord Sudarshan Chakra first destroyed the Kasi Nagar. Then again chasing behind to Shivji, Vishnu Chakra, Sudarshan Chakra. Then Shivji ran away. Shivji came in Jagannath Puri. And he told, hey Jagannath, please, and said to me, this Katha is there also. Then Sudarshan Chakra returned back. Okay. Then later Shivji, he realized, oh, I committed offense to Lord Vishnu. Then Shivji, he came in Navadvip Dham and he performed hard austerity. So no one can defeat to Sudarshan Chakra. So for this regard, more demon he knows. And this Vishnu has Sudarshan Chakra. So Vishnu can kill to everybody. So for this regard, he asked to Lord Shiva, the Vishnu can come to kill to me. Vishnu did not kill. Who killed? His Shakti. These are Shakti. And here this Tattva Siddhanta is there. Ekadashi Tithi, that is called Shakti Tattva. And Shakti Tattva we are not doing first. If you do, you can do, but if you can do, you cannot survive your life. So whole life you will be fasting. Because every day any Vaishnava, any also Shakti's appearance and disappearance come. Any Vaishnava Shakti Tattva na. Every day can do Shuddha Panjika. So not possible. So Swari Bhakti Vilas saying, okay. So you can do first, if you like, but no need. So Ekadashi Tithi, this is his way also. Our Ekadashi Tithi, actual non-different from the Krishna, because Shakti Mano the Arvida. So for this God doing this. And especially Ekadashi Tithi, she asked to Lord Vishnu, you give me this benediction. And everybody worships you, and the same way everybody worships. And another also, all our Veda, Puran, Upanishad, everywhere explained. In the day of Ekadashi, and you should not eat 5 types of grains. Understand this? You should not eat. And the 5 types of grains, all kinds of germs of the sinful activities, pap remains in the 5 types of grains and in the day of Ekadashi. So every sampradayas, they are doing this way. Even Krishna himself did Ekadashi Vrat also. Nanda Maharaj he did. Understand it? Pardon? Chaitanya Mahaprabhu himself also did. But Bhagavan he absorbed Ekadashi or not, then he is called them beyond of rules and regulation. Then Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu himself proved, I am Bhagavan. I am not in this rule. And then in the day of Ekadashi, I can eat the 5 types of grains. Because pap cannot touch me. Understand it? How is it called? Srimad Bhagavad Slokas? The no, Rashladhi, the three. When Parikshit Maharaj he asked, how gopis they associate with Krishna because they have no Brahmagyan. They never think Krishna is Bhagavan. And so how possible they also to in Paramur mood associate with Krishna and maybe they also committed sin of karma. That time Sukadeva Goswami Pad recited 3 verses in there. Very nice these were maintenance speaking the slokas. Jannama Grinam. Because just recite the name of Krishna Bhagavan, all sin automatically were destroyed. So how possible and Pap will touch Krishna and his parikar? So those who are Nitya Siddha parikar, those are eternal associated Krishna. If they not perform Ekadashi, that is not Papakar. They. Or the sloka is there. Very nice, beautiful sloka. Pap. You find it or no?
I don't know.
Which are the 32, 10th canto? 33 chapter maybe. Almost last day they are. The Brajgopi, they never think about Krishna is for Brahma Bhagavan. Very nice, beautiful 3 slokas. Sukadeva Goswami Pad, he told me. Just before this sloka. And I would know. Okay, in my room, this book. Bhagavan, who is Bhagavan, he is the beyond of rules and regulation. And Sukadeva, when Parikshit Maharaj told to Sukadeva Goswami, Sukadeva Goswami Pad told to Rashla Katha all the end. And that time Parikshit Maharaj he asked this question. And the gopis they never think Krishna is Brahma Bhagavan. So how they attend to Krishna Bhagavan? And they also did not follow the rules. So how possible they attain to Krishna with their parabur mood, parakya bhav? Maybe this is sinful activities. And that time Sukadeva Goswami Pad told no. Jannama Grinnan. Okay, bring that. Maybe this very nice sloka there.
This one on the words. The answer.
Dharma Vyatikramo Dishto Iswaran Sahasam Tejasam. No, this sloka is saying, just this sloka. Naitat samachari jatu manasa api janishara Iswarang bhajo sattang tahivatang bhajidang tesang sarva nityantam bhadyamsang samacharit. Just taking the name of yeah, this look is Jat Pada Pankaj Paraga Niseva Tripta যোগ প্রভাব বিদুত অখিল কর্ম বন্ধা শৈরং চরন্তি মনয়োপি ননাজ্যমানম তৎসেচ্ছ আপ্ত বপুষ কুত এব বন্ধা. This is very important. जब पाद पंकज पराग निषेव तृप्ता जोग प्रभ विदुत अखिल धर्म कर्म बंधा शैरं चरंती मनोपि ननज्यमान स्वेच्छ आप्त बपुष कुत एव बंध. How possible Lord will be to bind with the gopis of their maya? They have no maya. A very nice beautiful slogan. Jat pad pankaj parag niseva tripta. Just remembering the lotus feet of Krishna, yogis they deliver from this material world. Just to wake up early in the morning and meditate the lotus feet of Krishna, then you will deliver from this material world. So how possible Krishna or gopis they will be bounded with maya? So yoga prabhava viduta akhila karma bandha. All karma bandha and all the bondage of karma, everything is destroyed. Just taking his name. Remember his footprints, lotus footprints, charan kamal. Sairang charanti munevo nanajyamano secha apta bapusa kuta eva bandha. And Bhagavan is called Sechamai Purush. Secha means beyond of rules of regulation. Yeah, very clearly explained this. Material activities never entangle in the devotee of Supreme Lord, who are fully satisfied by servicing the dust of his lotus feet, nor do material activities entangle those intelligent sages who have freed themselves from the bondage of all fruitive reaction by the power of yoga. So how could there be any question of bondage for the Lord himself, and who assumed his transcendental forms and according to his own sweet will. And his own sweet will. And Secha Apta Bapusa. He always is it. That means that he is not beyond of these rules and regulation. Lord is not the beyond. A Lord is not in this rules and he is beyond of all rules and regulations. He is beyond of all the rules and regulations. Because Sukdev Parikshit Maharaj asked this question. The gopis, they never think Krishna is Bhagavan, Brahma. Brahmagyani according to the knowledge, and they perform hard austerities. How they free from the Maya Bandhan. Or gopis, they never think Krishna is Parabrahma Bhagavan. Not to Brahma Gyan. But they have no Brahma Gyan. So how possible they attain to Krishna? Understand? Gopis, they never think Krishna is Bhagavan. So Advaitavadis, they perform hard austerities also. And also they acquire vast of knowledge. Then they to free from the all kinds of prarabdha karma. Look this. Or gopis, they never think is Krishna is Parabrahma Bhagavan. So how possible gopis they attain to Krishna? Or another hand, The Krishna associated with the gopis. Even Krishna and he's saying, I don't know. These gopis are my Sarv Shakti. Because Krishna is আমিও না জানে গোপীগণ দুহার রূপে গুণে দুহার হরে মোর মন. Listen very carefully. Krishna says, I don't know who are these gopis. If Krishna knows these gopis are my Sarv Shakti, then Krishna cannot do perform this Leela also. Because which Bhagavan at a time two things, Sarvagata and Mugdhata. If already this Sarvagata is manifest, that is called Ishar Tattva, Bhagavat Tattva, Narayan. Narayan, Ram is already there, Sarvagata. But they cannot perform Ras dance. And Krishna, Sarvagata is there. But that Sarvagata covered with a yoga. This is the main thing is there. So Sarvagata and Mugdhata at a time. This is the main thing here. Otherwise, how possible to do Ras dance? You are going this. So saying Jat Pad Pankaja Jat Pad Pankaja Paraga Nisevo Nifrasatikta Yoga Prabhav Viduta Kilo Dharma Karma Bandha. Yoga is with the Yoga Dharma, just as usual, free from all the karma. Jat Pada Pankaja, this verse. Paraga Niseva Tripta Yoga Prabhava Viduta Kila Dharma Karma Bandha. Akila Karma Bandha. All their karma will be destroyed. Yogis. So how possible? So that means, proof is that Krishna Bhagavan is beyond of rules and regulation. He can do for the Loka Siksha, as like Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Understand? Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is a small boy. That time he wrote in the Ekadasi, I have to eat rice. What is his name? Name is there also. That means Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, I am Bhagavan. For this guy in our Gaudiya Math, in the Ekadasi also cooks rice for Krishna, offering him. Giving or not? This is the thing.
Someone is telling that Mahaprabhu, he was fasting Ekadashi, so we cannot offer. Someone is offering only Radha Krishna, but not Mahaprabhu. Like some conceptions, I don't know, it's from which one, I don't know.
Are you don't know? Chodo.
Our devotees of our Sangha, they offer Ekadashi day, right? Only to Radha Krishna, because Mahaprabhu, he was following Ekadashi.
And Mahaprabhu eat or not?
Yeah, like
In the Chaitanya Bhagavata, Chaitanya Chaitanya explained this. In the day, one day of Ekadashi, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he told to Sachi Mata, you give me rice. Sometimes he is Narvat Lila, sometimes he is Ishar Lila. This is the thing. Human being Lila is this.
This concept you cannot offer. Like if you're offering to Thakur, then you don't offer to Gurudev. Because some people, if they have this conception, then they cannot offer to Guru Varga also.
Why not offer?
No, I'm saying this conception
Guru Varga Murti you can offer, when it direct you can do.
Yes.
Huh?
But this concept is not proper.
we can offer to Guru also.
The Murti offer. Yeah. Have to this.
Otherwise, how to take?
Otherwise, Guru is taking, then disciple also taking. Well, Guru remnant I am taking. This is not this. Madhav Maharaj, he asked to the Trivikram Maharaj. Trivikram Maharaj is a blood sugar, what is called? Diabetes. So he is not eating the potato. The Madhav Maharaj is saying, hey, Maharaj, you tell to me honestly. Okay, any your disciple, but anybody also offer the bhog, Thakurji bhog. Potato sabji. You eating or not? In your vigraha, that time you are eating or not? In the day of Ekadashi, Gaudiya Ekadashi, what are you cooking? Potato.
99%.
And 99% are potato. So that time you eating or not? Is vigraha, but he is direct not eating. Oh, he is saying, Maharaj, you are not eating now potato. You are no, I will not eat potato, then my sugar will be high. But your only disciple offered to your vigraha, you eating or not? Otherwise, what is the meaning of the offering? That means you accept or not? Eating. Vigraha seva is dizana.
Section.
और व्याधि चले जगदीश हिरण्य सदने व्याधि चले जगदीश हिरण्य सदने विष्णु नैवेद्य खाइल एकादशी दिने है महापुरोहित है ना फर्स्ट बिफोर व्हाट इज वन लाइन वन पार्ट चोरे लइया गेल प्रभु बाहिरे पाइया तारे स्कंदे चढ़ी आइलो तारे भुलाइया 38 39 ना हाँ व्याधि चले जगदीश हिरण्य सदने विष्णु नब्बे नैवेद्य खाइल एकादशी दिने pretending to the sick the Lord asked some food from the house of Hiranya and Jagadish on the day of Ekadashi. Sri Chaitanya Bhagavat Adikhanda chapter 6 fully describes the Lord's accepting Vishnu Prasad on the Ekadashi day at the house of Jagadish and Hiranya. Regular Prasad is offering to Lord Vishnu on Ekadashi because although fasting is recommended for the devotees on Ekadashi, it is not recommended for the Lord Vishnu. Once on the Ekadashi in the house of Jagadish and Hiranya Pandit, there were arrangements for preparing special prasadam for Lord Vishnu, and Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu asked his father to go to ask for the Vishnu Prasad because he was feeling sick. The house of Jagadish and Hiranya Pandit was situated about 2 miles from the house of Jagannath Mishra. Therefore, where Jagannath Mishra on the request of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came to ask Jagadish and Hiranya for the prasadam, they were little astonished. How could the boy understand that the special prasad was being prepared for Lord Vishnu? They immediately concluded that Nimai must have supernatural mystic power, otherwise how could he understand they were preparing the special prasadam? Therefore they immediately sent the food for Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu through his father Jagannath Mishra. Nimai was feeling sick, but immediately after eating the Vishnu prasadam, he was cured. That means in the day of Ekadashi, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu ate that Nimai. He was cured. He also described the prasad among his playmates. And so this is That means conclusion where the Vishnu Tattva, Bhagavan. He followed rules or not followed. This is beyond of our conception. These are things. But those are devotees, they have to follow. And especially Jiva Tattva. If you are Vishnu Tattva, no problem.
Check yourself.
But in this time, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was in Balya Leela.
This is a Bal Leela, a childhood past.
Less than 8, no? Less than 8 years, like 7 years.
They did not mention how many years.
But Balya Leela is until 7, I believe.
This is not the mention here, but this is Bhagavan Bhakshi.
No, I'm asking this. If he has less than 8, also here was not.
It was inside the rule because
It's
for
inside the
8 you
rules,
can
yeah,
some
less
children
than
can
8
eat.
also.
Yes, you are right, but he has not mentioned how old is he.
I think he's just mentioning that is Balya Leela.
No, Bal Leela means how older he is. This is the Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu doing this Leela also. And Jagannath, what is your name? What is his name? Nanda Maharaj, also he also did Ekadashi Vrat. Understand it? And the day of Ekadashi, in the day of after Ekadashi, then Dadashi midnight he went to
Chaitanya Mahaprabhu.
Krishna Leela.
Nanda Maharaj.
Nanda Maharaj Leela Katha is also.
Chaitanya Mahaprabhu also do Ekadasi.
Mahaprabhu did Ekadashi. Jagannath Puri, especially Mahaprabhu, and he told. Even also another also Chaitanya Bhagavad is saying. And one day Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Nimai, he told his mother Suji Devi, "Hey ma, you give me one benediction to me." What benediction? Aji hoite Ekadashi Vrat kariba. And Ekadashi din anna kabhu na khaiba. Mahaprabhu told all. Mahaprabhu told to Sachi Devi, "Hey mother, you have to do Ekadashi." So some people they show argument that means Sachimata before she did not observe Ekadashi. You cannot say this. Argument this another thing. I'm saying today you do this. So Sachi so saying this. You can see Chaitanya Bhagavad is also there. जे अमा एक दियो बर आजी होइते माँ एकादशी करीबा. Very nice paper. Everybody should do Ekadashi. Ekadashi Tithi is very important. All Puran also explain this. Even when Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was staying in Jagannath Puri, Lord Chaitanya, that time the Brahmanas, they told, oh, in our Jagannath Puri, no need follow Ekadashi. Here Ekadashi, we also bind upside down. So no need to follow Ekadashi. But Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told no. Everybody have to follow Ekadashi. That time no one also eating Jagannath Prasad in the day of Ekadashi. Then Brahman, their mind very disturbed. So if no one buy Ekadashi, Jagannath Prasad in the day of Ekadashi, how they will be lose money?
With the owning Chaitanya Chaitanya.
एक दिन माता पदे कोरिया प्रणाम प्रभु करे माता मोरे देह एक दान. One day Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu fell down at the feet of his mother and requested her to give him one thing in charity. মাতা বলে যে তাই দিব যা তুমি মাগিবে। প্রভু কয়ে একাদশীতে অন্ন না খাইবে। দিস ভেরি ইম্পর্টেন্ট। হ্যাঁ, his mother replied, this one, no? His mother replied, my dear son, I will give you whatever you ask. Then Lord said, my dear mother, please do not eat grains on the Ekadashi day. Yeah? From the very beginning of his childhood life, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu introduced the system of observing a fast on the Ekadashi day. In the Bhakti Sandarbha by Srila Jiva Goswami Pad, there is a quotation from Puranas, Shakt. Shankha Purana, Puranas admonishing that the person who eat grains on Ekadashi becomes a murderer of his mother, father, brother and spiritual master. And even if he is elephant of the Vaikuntha planet, he falls down. On the Ekadashi, every day is cooked for Vishnu, including regular grains and dal. Here is very clearly explained. In the day of Ekadashi, you have to cook. This is on the Ekadashi, every day everything is cooked for Vishnu, including regular grains and dal. But it is enjoyed that the Vishnu should not even take Vishnu Prasad on the Ekadashi. It is said that the Vaishnava does not accept anything eatable for in not offering to Lord Vishnu. But on the Ekadashi, Vishnu should not touch even the Mahaprasad offered to Vishnu. Although such Mahaprasad may be except for being eaten the next day, it is strictly forbidden for one who accepts any kind of grains of Ekadashi, even it is offered to Lord Vishnu. This is very important. But some sampradaya, they are eating day of Ekadashi, rice, dal, everything. That is not perfect.
I was thinking about Jagannath Puri when Jagannath Puri.
Oh, Jagannath, that story is I was told to you. Then Mahaprabhu when told no one can take Mahaprasad in the day of Ekadashi, dice dal, then Brahmanas they are thinking what will do now. Anyhow, if Chaitanya Mahaprabhu will eat day of Ekadashi, then all his followers will be taken. Jat jati shrestha tattvavet rajana sajat pavanam krute lokastadanuvartate. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he will eat Jagannath Prasad, rice dal sabji, then his followers will be eat. Shastra saying, if Jagannath Prasad will come, prapti matrebha bhokchabha. You understand? If Jagannath Prasad will come in front of you, is without delay, immediately you have to take Jagannath Prasad. Now you have to eat Jagannath Prasad. The Shastra is written there. So Brahmanas, they brought very nice Jagannath Prasadam, very nice plate offered to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu very happy. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu called all his followers. Come, now Jagannath Prasad means Jagannath himself appeared. We have to honor Jagannath Mahaprasadam. So all devotees came. Brahmana is looking. Mahaprabhu, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he must eat Jagannath Prasadam. But Mahaprabhu is very tricky. Mahaprabhu told, before taking Jagannath Prasad, we have to stop Stuti, Jagannath Stuti. Do parikrama. Prasad coming, then what will do? Mahaprasadi, Govinde, Nama Brahmani, Vaishnave, Salpa Punna Vatang Rajan, Visasanai Vajayate, Sarira Vidyajar, Jadendriya Taika, Jive Pele, Visa. So in this way, Mahaprabhu stops Stuti, Jagannath Prasad. Mahaprabhu very happy. All devotees also surrounded. Brahmanas, they are watching. They today Ekadashi, how Mahaprabhu it is Jagannath Prasad or not. Whole night Mahaprabhu will do stop Stuti. And do parikrama. Hari Haraye Nama Krishna Jadavaye Nama Jadavaye Madhavaye Kesavaye Nama Gopala Govinda Ram Sri Madhusudan Giridhari Gopinath Madanaman Hari Haraye Nama Krishna Jadavaye Nama Jadavaye Madhavaye Kesavaye Gopala Govinda Ram Sri Madhusudan Giridhari Gopinath. How many rounds? When would you be 4 times, then he is very angry. He go 4 times, then stop. What will do? Are you? What will do?
But what is allowed, no? Allah is for, no? Rule.
Or Titumar become very angry. Or what will do? Are do parikrama more and more. Adhikantu na dosayo. Adhikantu means if you more parikrama, that is not false. But less, that is a false. Understand?
But what is not less?
4 is the minimum. Understand? You do 4 times parikrama, the minimum. Or maximum, unlimited. Now, Titamar, do unto more. Why not? So, in this case, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu whole night doing parikrama Jagannath Prasad. Because Jagannath Prasad is non-different from Jagannath. So, Mahaprabhu whole night doing Nam Sankirtan. Then, and morning coming, almost sunrise. Then Mahaprabhu told, oh, we have to sound Brahma Murta, we have to chant our Gayatri Mantra. Or before chant Gayatri Mantra, we have to take bath in the ocean. So Mahaprabhu told, all will come, take bath in the ocean. Then all they came with Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, take bath in the ocean. Then Paran time has come. Sarup Damodar Raya, they told Prabhu, now Paran time. Then Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu himself, Jagannath Prasad, and also distributed all the devotees. Bolo Vrindavan Vihari. So in the day of Ekadashi, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu did not eat Mahaprasad. Look at this. If Lord Chaitanya Bhagavan, he can eat. And Pap cannot touch it. Because this verse very clearly Rasulullah Katha di. Jat pad pankaj parag nisev dipta. Yoga prabhava viduta kila dharma karma bandha. Are yogi just they are the meditate, they meditate the lotus feet of Krishna and destroyed all their sin. So how possible Krishna will contaminate with a sinful activity? Ajamil just chant his son's name Narayan. Namabhas coming, not Suddha Nam. Then Ajamil all his sin destroyed. There are many of it. Jat pada pankaj palasa bilasa bhakta karmasam gaditam udgatanti santo tad banna rikta mato jato niruddha srota ganastam aranang bhajavasu Another sloka. Jat pada pankaj. This sloka is very also nice. This is not Rasulullah, the another sloka. Jat pada pankaj palasa bilasa bhakta karmasam gaditam udgatanti santo jadavanna rikta mato jato niruddha srota ganastam Srotagunastam aranang bhaj Vasudevam. Very nice, beautiful. Remember in the past times of the footprints of Krishna, Krishna Charan Chinna Smaran. What did he say? Krishna Charan Chinna Smaran. Hey. Just you remember Krishna's footprints. There is one sign that is called chakra. So the chakra is there. Then your sangsar chakra automatically will destroy. When you wake up early in the morning, remember the footprints of Krishna. And your footprint Krishna. And one symbol that is called chakra is there. Remember the chakra. Then your sangsar chakra automatically destroy. Good enough. Not do anything, just there. So this verse is Jat Pada Pankaja Palasa Vilasa Bhakta Karamasam Gaditam Udgratanti Santa Tadavanna Rikta Matayo Jatayo Niruddha Srota Ganastam Aranam Bhajavasudevam. Yeah, this is the way. So Ekadashi, just I have to come back. Everybody have to observe Ekadashi Tithi. Ekadashi Tithi, Bhakti Janani. If you observe Ekadashi, then Bhakti Devi will manifest in your heart. Bhakti manifests in your heart, then you will get two sons. Gyan and Vairagya. Two sons will come. Bhakti Devi, two sons. Gyan and Vairagya. But then Gyan and Vairagya, in Vrindavan, they will become old. And Bhakti Devi will become youth and young. Look at this thing. And Bhakti Devi, she told, Utpanne Davide, I was born in Dravid. Dravid means South India. Tamil. Utpanne Davide. Then I grew up in another place, Mysore. Then I am coming in Karnataka. Then when I entered in Gujarat, Gujarat understand? Gujarat, before their name, Gurjar Desh, Gurjare. Gurjar Desh. Gujarat, that is called Gurjare. Gurjar Desh. Then my two sons, they become very young, or I become old. So I left Gurjar Desh, then coming in Vrindavan. When I come in Vrindavan, then opposite way. Bhakti Devi, she told, I become young, and my two sons, now they can go old. How possible? Mother is young, and two sons become very old. And they completely fainted also. They cannot move their body. Two sons, Gyan and Vairagya, they cannot move their body. So much weakness coming. Their hands, legs not moving. They just taking the breath. So Bhakti Devi, she is crying. Maybe my two sons will be die. Who can? Then Narad Rishi came. Narad Rishi told, don't worry. Then Narad Rishi, he went to 4 Kumaras and told this katha. And okay. And how Bhakti Devi's two sons, Gyan and Vairagya, they are now become very sick. And as like old age. What will do? They glorify about Srimad Bhagavat Kathamritam. Bhagavat Katham. Bhakti Devi, she will be very happy in Vrindavan. है ज्ञान वैराग्य कबू न है भक्तिर अंग. ज्ञान and वैराग्य, they are not the limbs of bhakti, but just the nourishment of bhakti. But you should not, sadhak should not neglect jnana vairagya. Yes, these are things also. So saying this, in Vrindavan, and when Uddhav also came in Vrindavan, Uddhav came from Mathura. He brought a lot of knowledge, Gyan. And Gyan Vairagya knowledge he brought. That basket full of Gyan and Vairagya. And he also told to the gopis. Then gopis throw all the Gyan and Vairagya in the Joguna. That is called Gyan Gudri. Gyan Gudri, understand? If you go Vrindavan, there is one place that is called Gyan Gudri. Gudri means where the old blanket looked like this. Understand? So gopis they also are with their feet and throw that the Gudri. Gudri means old blanket in the Joguna. And now this old blanket going, Joguna to Allahabad. Understand? Allahabad, understand? Now the Kumbh Mela. Because Joguna is meeting in there. And then going to Bengal to Calcutta. Then going to ocean. And Odisha. Then going to ocean. Chalo. Then they are finished. So that means in Vrindavan, Gyan and Vairagya are not prominent. Very nice katha is there. When Krishna told to the gopis about this katha also, what slok? I am Bhagavan. Mai bhakti bhutanang amrit tattva kalpate jat simnasim bhavatinang madapanam. First line is good. Mai bhakti bhutanang amrit tattva kalpate jat simnasim bhavatinang madapanam. Matsino bhavatinang madapanam. This logik. Then gopis they become very angry. Ahushchate nalina nava padara vindayo. Ahushchate nalina nava padara vindayo. That means Krishna told to the gopis, hey gopis, you worship to me because I am Bhagavan. Understand? Yogis, according to the Yoga Darshan, they always thinking I am with them. For this regard, they don't feeling any separation. So you practice yoga darshan. Understand? And you remember my feet. Then Gopi they become very angry. But you are Bhagavan. Gopi they become very angry. Something Auschate nalina nava padara vindayo Yogeshwari vichinta agado bodoi samsara kupapadito avalammanam. Gyahang jusam. This sloka is very nice. You are saying I am Bhagavan. Gopi told you are saying you are Bhagavan. We did not see any your Bhagavatta, supremacy. Just to be nonsense, Gopi. Ahushchate nalina nava padara vindam. Or these types of knowledge you can give to Brahma. Brahma, he may deliver from this ocean of this Maya. You understand? Because Brahma, he has no knowledge. Gopi they criticize to also Brahma and chastise to Krishna. auschute nullinanava padar vindam Yogeshwari Vijinto Agado Bodhi. Though Brahma is vast of knowledge, but he has no knowledge about praying. Gopi Devi. What is the knowledge of the prema of? What is the knowledge of prema? Gopi Devi heavy chastised this verse. Brahmaji, he performed hard austerities or not? Why? Purify his heart. How to deliver from the ocean of the Maya. Two kinds of Brahma. One is called Vairaj Brahma, another is called Hiranyagarbha Brahma. Vairaj Brahma is called Jiva Tattva. What do you think? Vairaj Brahma, Jiva Tattva. And Hiranyagarbha Brahma is Ishwar Tattva, Bhagavat Tattva. So if any kalpa, the jivas cannot take charge the position of Brahma, that time Lord himself, he takes the charge of Brahma. That Brahma is called Ishwar Koti Brahma, by Hiranyagarbha Brahma. Or Jiva Koti Brahma, one who follow the Varnashram Dharma, 100th birth, in sequence. And then he will become, get the position of Brahma. Brahmapad. So, but these types of Brahma is very, very rare also. Jeev Koti Brahma, very, very rare. But possible.
Our Brahma is Jiva. Now, Brahma is Jiva.
Jiva Koti Brahma is saying this. So saying this, so Gopi saying this, you give this, here is called, and now give the advice to Brahmaji. Different kalpas, depends also Brahma's their activity, not one kalpa. Brahma, right? Actual Brahma, he is Mukta Purush also. But Jeev Koti. Without Mukta Purush, how possible to create this universe? This is Brahmanda. Not so easy. So saying, Auschate Nullinanava Padarvindu Yogeshwar Hridhi Vichinta Agada Bodhi Sangsara Ko Patito Uddhar Avalammu. So these words. Bala Vrindavan Vihari Lal Ki. Everybody doing Ekadashi Tithi. Everybody have to observe Ekadashi Tithi. This is the main thing. Good or not? I think no problem. Eat prasad adhikar. Potato prasadam. Coconut water. Sweet. Banana. Kasi Mr. Prabhu's banana coming. You already ate banana already or not? They gave.
No.
I gave you.
His owner.
Huh? All of it now. Okay, Thakur bhog lag dela. Huh?
Jai Maharaj Ji.
How do you say? Who?
She wrote to me.
Who is devotee?
Her name is Dila Madhuri from Santos.
Huh.
She wrote to me asking that she heard in your class something about the Ekadashi. But I don't know about it. She said she heard. Ekadashi, Eka means one. So we should eat fruits with only one seed. But we know that we don't call like this. But although even though it says Nihari Bhakti Vilas, so she wanted some clarification, especially for other people, to explain to the people about it.
Hari Bhakti Vilas gives so many rules are there also. Eh? So which one do what do not or do? They should follow the instruction of our previous acharyas. Ek of Ekadasi, the Hari Bhakti Vilas wrote one verse in the day of Ekadasi that fruits will be eat or offered to Thakurji, which is one seed. Eko Bija Phalam Krishna of what is called Naivedya. That fruits which has only one seed, that is a mango, avocado, not that time. Here it is Bahu Bija Phalang Ekadisa Ma Bhunjit. What is it? Understand?
Even apple do that, so many seeds.
Yes. Many rules is there. But if the cemetery are exchanging what will eat, what will not eat Ekadasi, that it will be follow the instruction of our acharyas.
End of Hari Bhakti Vilas.
Huh?
Many rules are given, but
Many rules are given. Every rules are given. We are offering papaya or not? How many seeds are in papaya? Huh? So, Bahu Bija also. Pumpkin. So if you mention this, it is better in the day of Ekadasi should not eat anything. That's the simple way. There are no any arguments.
Yes. But I know that if you will follow all rules of Hari Bhakti Vilasa, you will become lost. Because not possible. Like Kartik time, so many rules like sleep on the ground.
What will do, what not will do. Follow the instruction of Acharya. This simple way. Acharya Jai Mat Sai Mat Sar. Listen, Bharat. What did he say? Acharya Jai Mat Sai Mat Sar. Ar Sab Mat Jaug Char Khar. You read Chaitanya Bhagavat. Acharya Jai Mat Sai Mat Sar. Acharya Advaita Acharya. Acharya means also Guru Varga. Acharya Jai Mat Sai Mat Sar. And what is the instruction of Acharya? This is the this rules you have to follow. Others you cannot follow these. Even you cannot maintain your life. Maintain life or not? Not possible. So saying this, Acharya Jai Mat Sai Mat Sar. What our Acharya Guru Varga is saying, you have to follow. Others mat, no need to accept. And many people will be saying many things also. Because Veda is not one. How many Vedas? 4 Vedas. 4 Vedas, all Vedas are not saying same instruction to us. Different Vedas, different is saying this. Saying or not? 4 Vedas. So what to do? Veda bhinna, mata bhinna. Ved, different Ved. Also, opinion also different. So what will do? What will do? Mahajano gatasya pantha. You follow the instruction of Mahajan. Guru Varga. That's simple. You understand? Mahajano gatasya pantha. Otherwise, you cannot maintain this. But this Veda is saying this way, this Veda is saying in this way. If you do anything, automatically other people will arguments. Arguments or not. So don't you also, what is it called? You have to become deaf. Deaf, understand? Badhiram. As like gopis, they Badhiram. Understand? Gopis, they are completely heard. Badhir means deaf. their mother-in-law, father-in-law giving many instructions to them. But they did not listen. Huh? So in the same way, what will do, not will do, follow the instruction of a guru. Acharya is guru. Huh? Not guru. You follow the instruction of guru. This you understand? Eh? Many gurus are not here. And every acharya is not same. Even in see our Gaudiya Math. Eh? Some Gaudiya Math, they also, day of Ekadashi, they are eating turmeric. Some also not taking. Some also taking cauliflower, some not taking. So what will do? So they are not acharya. They are not Suddha Bhakta. Eh? Some they also taking, what is called? Cumin seed also, Ekadashi day. And others Gaudiya Math taking. We are not taking. So if you follow this Gaudiya Math, what they are doing, they have to do. But simple way. Otherwise, mind will be disturbed. You understand? When you go that Gaudiya Math, you can follow there. Simple way. Huh? Understand or not? Simple way. If you stay at this place, you have to follow this rule. If you follow in Brazil, if you follow the rules of Brazil or not, and you have to drive the car on the right side. You are coming from India. Well, no, I am India. I am
My rules.
India. They are following the whole driving car left. Then police will be disturbed you or not? Punishment. Huh? You understand? And if you go India, if you drive the car, which way? Follow. Left. So that's the rules have to follow. No, I am Brazilian. I have to follow the Brazilian rules, drive the car. Then police, stop you. Well, they take your license. Chalo. So they follow the rules. So in the same way. And so for this regard, saying this is, Acharya Jai Mot, Sei Mot Sa. Ar so Mot, Jab Char Khar. In Chaitanya Bhagavat. Find out this one. Chaitanya Charitamrita, not Chaitanya Bhagavat. And Acharya Jai Mot, Sei Mot Sa. Ar so Mot, Jab Char Khar. Too many. Acharya means Advaita Acharya. Acharya means Guru Varga. Our Guru Varga is saying. What my Gurudev is saying, I follow the instruction of my Guru. You understand? If you stay in our Mangalarati, should be Mangala Sri Guru Gaura Mangal Param Guru Maharaj. Or if you go to Bhakti Vaibhav Puri Goswami Math, they are singing Mangalarati different song. I don't know how it is called. Bhale Gora Chandra, this song they are singing. I think that song was written by Bhakti Vinod Thakur. Singing or not? They are singing this. এই যে আচার্য যেই মত সেই মত সার তার আজ্ঞা লঙ্ঘি চলে সেই অসার ওকে সিমিলার দিস আর সব মত জাগ জাগ ছাড় কার নট হিয়ার
This is Chaitanya Charitamrita. The one who's saying so.
আচার্য যেই মত সেই মত সার তার আজ্ঞা লঙ্ঘি চলে সেই তো অসার
Similar meaning also. That's why I thought it was this one.
আর another also the আচার্য যেই মত সেই মত সার আর সব মত জাগ ছাড় কার এই সামনে The order of the spiritual master is the active principles in spiritual life. Anyone who destroys the order of the spiritual master, immediately becomes useless. Very good.
Similar meaning also.
Huh?
Second line, we are saying char karmi.
सब आर सब मात जग छार का सेम मीनिंग एक्चुअली ये destroyed छारकार मैंने destroyed English is same the Bengali language difference
Two ways to say the same.
if you stay Bhakti Vaibhav Puri Goswami Maharaj Bhakti Vaibhav Puri Goswami Maharaj Vrindavan they are singing Mangalarti different this Bhakti Vinod Thakur this song or we are singing Bhakti Pragyan Keshav Goswami Maharaj Mangala Sri Guru Mangala Murati Mangala Sri Radha when I was staying in Mexico and temple Mexico temple no in where they are mixed all the
Radha Govinda.
they are singing this song or we are singing another no when I am going that time we are singing Mangala Sri Guru Guru Mangala Murati and when they are singing they are singing Bhali Gora Chand na Bhali Gora Dedi they are singing another
Also different, like this, I think this, but
and so Bolo Vrindavan Vihari Lal ki Jai Ekadashi Mahatithi ki Jai अरे आरती करो